In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Payhip. If you want to start selling through Payhip, this is a simple place to begin. Payhip lets you sell different kinds of products from one platform. So whether you're offering digital downloads, online courses, coaching, memberships, or even physical goods, the setup process starts in a very similar way. First, go to the Payhip dashboard. This is your main control center where you can manage your store, products, sales, and customer activity. If you're already logged in, the dashboard is usually the first screen you'll see. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout because this is where most of your store management will happen. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Products. This section is where all of your current items will live, and it's also where you can create something new. If you plan to sell more than one offer, this area becomes especially important because it helps you keep everything organized in one place. Next, click on Add New Product. This is the button that starts the creation process. After selecting it, Payhip will guide you into choosing what kind of item you want to sell. This step matters because different product types may come with different setup options, delivery settings, or customer experiences. From there, select a product. Choose the option that best matches what you want to offer. For example, if you're selling a file your customer can download, you'll want the digital product option. If you're building a learning experience, an online course may be the better fit. If you offer one-on-one services, coaching could make more sense. Memberships are useful for recurring access, and physical goods work if you're shipping products to customers. After choosing your product type, follow the steps Payhip gives you on screen. This usually includes entering the product details, adding pricing, uploading any necessary content, and setting up the way customers will receive what they purchase. Go carefully through each section so nothing important gets missed. It's a good idea to review your product information before publishing, especially the title, price, and description, so your listing is clear and professional. The key thing to remember is that Payhip supports several kinds of products, including digital downloads, online courses, coaching, memberships, and physical goods. So once you learn this basic workflow, you can repeat it anytime you want to add something new to your store. That's the basic process for using Payhip to add products and get started selling.